Tucked away on a quiet cobblestone street in the heart of SoHo, the Crosby Street Hotel dazzles with its blend of charm and creativity. Celebrated for its one-of-a-kind interiors curated by renowned designer Kit Kemp and its warm, attentive service, the hotel turns every stay into something memorable. With 86 uniquely crafted rooms and suites spread across 11 sunlit floors, guests are invited into a world where luxury feels personal and style is stitched into every corner of one of New York City's most fashionable enclaves. SoHo is a vibrant neighborhood filled with an exciting mix of art, culture, history, and entertainment. Within walking distance from Crosby Street Hotel, guests can explore a variety of popular attractions that showcase the unique spirit of New York City. Highlights include the Museum of Ice Cream, One World Trade Center, Whitney Museum of American Art, and Washington Square Park. To check availability and the latest accommodation rates, refer to the link in the video description. Each room at the Crosby Street Hotel is a carefully composed blend of natural light, refined design, and artistic character. Towering ceilings open up the space, while full-length, warehouse-style windows invite the vibrant SoHo skyline inside, bathing the interiors in a soft, ever-changing glow. The decor, thoughtfully envisioned by acclaimed British designer Kit Kemp, strikes a perfect balance between bold color, tailored comfort, and whimsical detail. From richly textured fabrics to eye-catching artwork, every element feels intentionally chosen, creating an atmosphere that is both stylish and deeply personal. The mood throughout the hotel is one of relaxed sophistication. Whether you're curling up with a book by the fireplace, in the plush drawing room, soaking up the sunshine in the private garden, or enjoying an art-filled stroll through the lobby, there's a quiet charm in every corner. It's this mix of British elegance and Manhattan cool that makes the experience so unique. Crosby Street Hotel offers more than just beautifully designed rooms. Here, every space is thoughtfully crafted to enhance your stay. Crosby Bar and Terrace serves delicious food in a lively and welcoming setting. Breakfast and brunch are guest favorites, while afternoon tea with its pastries and finger sandwiches is a daily treat. Whether sitting inside surrounded by stylish decor or outside on the terrace, dining here is always a pleasant experience. Guests can enjoy room service, bringing gourmet meals and refreshments right to their door at any hour. For those seeking a more intimate experience, private dining options offer the perfect setting for special occasions or quiet moments. The hotel also features stylish meeting and event rooms, ideal for both business gatherings and private celebrations, blending functionality with the hotel's signature artistic flair. Fitness enthusiasts can maintain their routine in the fully equipped 24-hour gym, while travelers will appreciate the availability of non-smoking rooms and thoughtfully designed family rooms, ensuring a welcoming environment for all guests. Every detail reflects a commitment to making every stay as comfortable and seamless as possible. You can find all additional information in the link in the description. Crosby Street Hotel stands as a refined retreat in the bustling energy of Manhattan's SoHo neighborhood, where thoughtful design and genuine hospitality create a truly memorable stay. With its bright, artfully decorated rooms and inviting communal spaces, the hotel offers a perfect balance of comfort and style. Whether guests seek a peaceful moment in the private garden, a cozy evening by the fireplace, or a flavorful meal at Crosby Bar and Terrace, every experience is crafted with care. Situated in one of New York City's most dynamic districts, the hotel serves as an ideal base for exploring the city's vibrant culture and creative spirit. At Crosby Street Hotel, luxury feels personal, and every visit becomes a unique chapter in the story of your New York adventure.